Hey everybody, we're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. More specifically, we are at Goats on a Roof. And yes, there's literally goats on a roof. Multiple goats. And the goats are waiting to eat. Their food gets sent to them via those bicycles up those little ramps. But our main journey here involves these. A little mountain coaster. Going up the mountain. Woohoo! Woo! 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 Oh man! Merch. That was hella fun. Woo! Just had the thing pushed all the way down. I wish it could go faster, but it felt, quite honestly, like it was gonna come off the track a couple of times. Jess, a little nervous. She's speechless. All right, time for round 2 for me. Jess was too scared, so we're gonna do this round solo. Thank you. Whoa. Felt like I was gonna come off the track there. Whew. Woo. That was so good. I don't know how the footage is going to come out because I did traditional like GoPro-y type wide angle the first time and then 4:3 the second time, but it looked shaky. Whoa, look at these chickens. Got like a lot of little crafty things here. And I love these little jack-o'-lanterns. It is so cool. And you can feed the goats. The goats that are on the roof.
You can eat the back.
Put it in your hand.
No, you don't want my hand? Here. No?
Maybe not the sanitizer.
Oh, yeah. No, I guess he doesn't like it. He really doesn't want it.
Hello, goat.
He's pulling the dish over. I'm like, yeah, that's mine.
Oh, look at our little goat.
Oh, the little guy. He's so cute.
That is adorable. Not that you won't, but you know.
Yeah.
What do you think? Somebody bicycled a cup of food up to that goat. Oh, they teased him. They actually didn't have any food in it. We've got food. We've got cranking. Hey, goat. Oh, it dumped it out up there.
Yeah, that's what it does.
And bike back in reverse here. There's another one coming across the bridge.
Yeah, isn't that cute? A mom and a little baby crossed before. I was like, oh.
These goats are lazy. They just want to stay at that one. And none of them coming over to my cup. I do not bring all the goats to the yard.
Oh.
What the? That's not good.
I took the bag right out of my hand. I wish I could grab it.
That's paper. He's getting it out of it. Whoa. Can I pet you?
Okay, are you ready to ride?
Black goat. It's like, don't pet me. You guys want the food, but you're afraid of this guy. I think because he's got the horns.
Look at he just shoved his face into the bag.
Goats on the roof. Back to these jack-o'-lanterns. That one is really evil looking. So many bear items. They do have goats on the roof shirts as well. Look at this. The Second Amendment. The right to keep and arm bears. Alright, we're done with goats on the roof. That was a really fun experience. I know that there's a bunch of different mountain coasters and Alpine slides and things like that, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to hit some more of them, maybe tomorrow or the next day, but that was a lot of fun. Thank you very much for coming along, and thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great day. See you guys.